Magandang araw sa lahat. I am John V. Espinilla and I will be your mathematics teacher for today. So ngayon, naghanda ako ng mga iba't ibang items about Mathematics 10. So this is our review for the upcoming first quarter examinations. Now, the following questions aligns to the milks of the debate. At ngayon, yung focus natin is all about sequences and series and also the polynomials. So let's begin. Question number one. What is the common difference in the sequence 5, 9, 13, 17? A 4, B negative 4, C 5. Bibigyan ko kayo ng 10 seconds to answer. Ready, go. Time is up. So, alam naman natin, para makuha po yung common difference is simply subtract the last number to the previous number. That is 17 minus 13, 13 minus 9, and 9 minus 5, and the answer is 4. And that is the common difference. Second question. Which of the following is an arithmetic sequence? A. 2, 4, 8, 16. B. 10, 8, 6, 4. C. 1, 3, 6, 10. 10 seconds, go. So pag sinabi nating arithmetic sequence, dapat meron po tayong common difference. So para makuha po yun, aalamin po natin yung common difference ng bawat option. So in option number 1, the differences are 8, 4, and 2. We have no common difference. In option number 2, these are the differences. And nakikita naman natin that meron po tayong common difference na negative 2. And sa last option naman, differences are not common. Therefore, the correct answer is option number 2. 10, 8, 6, 4 is an arithmetic sequence. What is the formula for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence? 10 seconds, go. Okay, time is up. So, yung unang option po is all about geometric sequence. And yung option number 2 is i-formula po. Wala pong formula yan kung ano mang sequence. Correct answer is option number 3. That is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times the. What is the 10th term of the sequences 3, 6, and 9? 30, 27, or 33? 10 seconds, go. Okay, time is up. So, kanina nakuha natin na yung formula ng arithmetic sequence is ito. So, para magamit yung formula natin, alamin natin kung ano nga ba yung n, what is our a sub 1, what is our d. So, based on the problem, our n is 10, since hahanapin natin yung 10th term, and our a sub 1 is the first term, that is 3, and the common difference is 9 minus 6, 6 minus 3, or that is 3. Then, substitution tayo, do the parentheses, then multiplication. 3 plus 27 is 30. This is the 10th term of the sequence. Next question. What is the first term if the fifth term is equal to 25 and the common difference is 5? 0, 5, or 10? 10 seconds, go. Okay, so para makuha po yung first term, you have two option. Unang option, gagamitin natin yung formula natin. And our formula again is this. So we have n is equal to 5 since ito yung end term natin which is a sub 5 and a sub n is 25 and our difference is 5. Then substitution, do the parentheses, multiply, then subtract both sides by 20 to get the first term and that is 5. That is our first option. Now, kung masyadong mabilis yung oras po natin or limited po yung oras during exam, ang gagawin na po natin is start tayo ng 25. Skip counting tayo by 5 since this is our common difference. So fifth term is 25, 20 is fourth, 15 third, 10 is the second, and 5 is our first term. So that is also the same. Next question. Which equation finds the sum of the first and terms of an arithmetic sequence? So dito naman hahanapin natin yung total number of the first and terms of an arithmetic sequence. 10 seconds, go. Time is up. So the correct answer is letter C, which is S sub n is equal to n over 2 times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n. Now, meron po tayong dalawang formula when it comes to the sum of the first terms of an arithmetic sequence. So, ito po yung una at yung pangalawa po is S sub n is equal to n over 2 times the quantity of 2 a sub 1 plus a sub plus the quantity of n minus 1 times the difference. Alam naman natin, di ba, sa previous question po, that the value of a sub n in arithmetic sequence is a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. So, papalitan na po natin yan then magkakaroon tayo ng dalawang a sub 1. And that is 2a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times the difference. So again, ito po yung dalawang formula ng sum of the first and terms of an arithmetic sequence. Next question. What does the common difference in an arithmetic sequence tell us? The constant added to each term, the ratio between terms, or the sum. 10 seconds, go. Okay, time is up. So dito naman, kukunin natin yung common difference. So ano yung common difference ulit? Ito yung constant na dinadagdag natin sa bawat term. And that is the constant added to each term. Pagdating po sa arithmetic sequence, the constant is being added. Next question. If an arithmetic sequence models daily savings of 20 pesos, how much is saved after 15 days? A. 240 pesos, B. 300 pesos, or C. 320 pesos? 10 seconds, go. Time is up. So dito, malalaman natin yung sagot using the arithmetic formula ulit for sequence. And ito po yun. Na kung saan po yung n natin is 15 and our first term is 20 and the common difference is also 20 because daily savings of 20. So start tayo sa 20, then daily savings, that is difference of 20. So we will have this by substitution, then parentheses, multiply, and 300 plus 20 is 320. So that means after 15 days, meron na po tayong 320 pesos na savings. Why is the sum of an arithmetic series finite? It always increases. It is fixed pattern. It has a fixed number of terms. 10 seconds ago. Time is up. So pag sinabi nating finite, meron po tayong endpoint. Okay? The opposite of finite is infinite. So the correct answer is it has a fixed number of terms. So meron pong limited number of terms in finite. Next question. A car increases its speed by 5 kilometers per hour every hour. If it starts at 60 kilometers per hour, what is its speed after 6 hours? 95, 90, or 85? 10 seconds, go. Time is up. So this is all about arithmetic sequence pa rin. So this is one of the applications. Gagamitin natin yung formula for arithmetic sequence where n is 7 since from 0 hour the speed is 60 kilometers per hour. So ito yung original, di ba? So pagkatapos ng isang oras, magdadagdag tayo ng 5 because the car increases its speed by 5 kilometers per hour every hour. So end po natin is 7 and not 6 hours. Okay, 7 kasi idadagdag natin yung original speed ng car. A sub 1 po natin is 60 kilometers and our difference is 5 kilometers. Substitution po tayo. Parentheses, multiply, and 60 plus 30 is 90. So that means the speed of the car after 6 hours is 90 kilometers per hour. A child saves 10 pesos on the first day, 15 pesos on the second day, and continues this pattern. How much will they save in total after 10 days? 320 pesos, 325 pesos, or 330 pesos. 10 seconds, go. This scenario is all about arithmetic series since the word is total. So, gagamitan natin po ng arithmetic series formula and that is S sub n is equal to n over 2 times the quantity of 2 a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times the difference. Bakit ito? Bakit hindi yung nauna kanina? It's because based on our given, hindi natin alam kung ano yung last term. So we will use this formula instead of n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. So ito po ang gagamitin natin. Na kung saan yung n po natin is 10 days, our first term is 10 pesos, and our difference is simply subtracting 15 by 10, and that is 5. Replacement, do the division, 10 divided by 2, and 2 times 10, then 10 minus 1. Then do the multiplication, 9 times 5, then add to 20, then multiply by 5, and the answer is 325. So that means a child saves 325 pesos in total after the 10 days. Or the second option, if time constraint talaga, ang gagawin na po natin is, so alam naman natin na first day 10 pesos. The second day is 15, so that means we add 5 on on each day that follows. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 hanggang makabuo tayo ng 10 days. Then add those savings to come up with 325 pesos. The height of a ball dropped from a height increases by 2 meters every bounce. If the first bounce is 10 meters, what is the height after 4 bounces? 2 meters, 6 meters, or 4 meters? 10 seconds, go. Okay, time is up. So this is all about arithmetic still. Arithmetic to. So ang tanong, what is the height after 4 bounces? We will apply the arithmetic series formula na kung saan yung end po natin is 4 bounces. Our first term is 10 meters and the common difference is negative 2. Why negative 2? Because of the word decreases by 2. So D is negative 2. Then substitute, do the parentheses, multiply, then subtract. 10 minus 6 is 4. So that means the height of the ball after 4 bounces is 4 meters. What is the common ratio in the sequence 3, 6, 12, 24? 2, 3, or 12? 10 seconds, go. Time is up. So pag sinabi natin common ratio, it's all about geometric sequence naman. Paano nga ba kunin yung common ratio? Simply divide naman. Kung kanina sa arithmetic, we subtract. Dito sa common ratio, we divide the last term to the previous. That is 24 divided by 12, 12 divided by 6, and 6 divided by 3. And the common ratio is, the answer is 2. Okay? So, hindi na palitan. This is 2 po. 2 is the common ratio. Which of the following is a geometric sequence? 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Or 5, 10, 15, 20. 10 seconds, go. Now, pag sinabi natin geometric sequence, ang hinahanap po natin is the common ratio. Para makuha po yung common ratio, ang gagawin natin is i-divide natin yung last to the previous. So, in option A, 8 divided by 6, 6 divided by 4, and 4 divided by 2, we found out that there is no common ratio. In option second, ratios are, and meron pa tayong common ratio na 2. In the third option, ratios are, and wala din po tayong common ratio. So the correct answer in this question is 1, 2, 4, and 8. Next question. What is the fourth term of the geometric sequence 2, 4, 8? 14, 12, or 16? 10 seconds, go. Okay, so meron po tayong dalawang option. Una, gagamitin natin yung geometric sequence formula, which is ito, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times the common ratio to the power of n minus 1. Na kung saan yung n po natin is 4 kasi hinahanap po natin yung fourth term and our first term is 2, siya po yung naunang term. Para po makuha yung common ratio, ang gagawin na po natin is i-divide itong 8 by 4 or 4 divided by 2 to get the common ratio. Then substitution po tayo sa formula. Then do the power, 4 minus 1 is 3. Then 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16. The fourth term of this sequence is 16. Or, ang gagawin natin, observation, ito, 2 times 2 is 4 times 2, 8. So, ang gagawin para makuha po yung fourth term is multiply yung 8 na to by 2 to get also 16. What is the formula for the nth term of a geometric sequence? So nakita na natin kanina yung formula. 10 seconds, go. Time is up and the correct answer is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 or to the power of n minus 1. What is the first term if the fourth term is 64 and the common ratio is 2? 4, 8, or 6? 10 seconds, go. Time is up. We will apply the geometric sequence formula. Ito po yung formula natin, where n is equal to 1. Kasi first term hinahanap po natin. A sub 4 is 64. And our common ratio is 2. By the way, n dito is 4. Because it is the last term. Then, substitution tayo. A sub 4 is equal to A sub 1 times 2 to the power of 4 minus 1. Again, n po is 4 since it is the last term. Then do the exponent po natin. Then 2 raised to 3 is 8. Then divide both by 8 to get 8. And that is our first term. Or, para mas madali po, since the fourth term is 64 at alam naman natin na yung common ratio is 2, ang gagawin nyo lang po is i-divide to by 2. So, kung i-divide natin to sa 2, the answer is 32. That is the third term. 32 divided by 2 is 16. That is the second term. 16 divided by 2 is 8, and that is our first term. How about for the sum of the first three terms of 1, 3, 9? 12, 14, 13. 10 seconds ago. So dito, pwede natin gamitan ng formula or since 3 terms lang po ang hinahanap, given na din po yung first 3 terms. So, pwede natin i-add. That is 9 plus 3 plus 1 or 13. 13 is the correct answer po. Paano nakuha yung 13? The other way around, pwede natin gamitan ng formula. This is the formula for the geometric sum, where n is equal to 3, a sub 1 is the 1, kasi ito yung first term natin, and the common ratio is 9 divided by 3 or 3 divided by 1, and that is 3. Do the replacement. 3 raised to 3 is 27, and 3 minus 1 is 2. 27 minus 1 is 26 divided by 2 is 13 times 1, and that is the sum of the first three terms. How is geometric sequence different from arithmetic? Multiplies constant, adds constant, divides constant. 10 seconds ago. Time is up. So, dito, gamit yung constant on all choices. So, ano nga bang pinagkaiba ng geometric sa arithmetic? Di ba pag kukuha tayo ng common ratio in geometric, we divide. Now, anong ginagawa sa constant naman? So, inverse of division is multiplication. We multiplies constant. So, para makuha yung mga next terms, we multiplies constant po sa mga nauunang term. How about in arithmetic, we add the constant naman. Pero pag kinuha naman po yung common difference, we do the opposite. So, we subtract naman. What does the ratio in a geometric sequence represent? Difference, a factor between terms, or average? 10 seconds go. So pag sinabing ratio, that is factor between terms. We divide, right? So nagdi-divide tayo ng last term by the previous term, and that is the factor. If you invest 1,000 pesos and it triples every year, how much after 3 years? 27,000, 6,000, or 9,000? 10 seconds ago. Okay, time is up. So this is all about geometric because of the word triples. So gagamitan natin ng geometric sequence formula, and this is it. Where n is 4. Bakit 4? Why not 3? 4 since starting tayo ng 1,000. Wala pa pong tubo to. Okay? So original money po natin is 1,000. After a year, magkakaroon na ng interest. And that is triple of 1,000 is 3,000 na. So n po natin is 4. kasama na po yung zero year baga. Or a sub 1 is 1,000 and our ratio is 3 because of the word triples or triples. Substitution, do the exponent, 3 raised to 3, then multiply by 1,000 to get 27,000. So, first year na naipon po natin is 1,000 times 3, that is 3,000. Second year, 9,000. Third year, we have 27,000. So, you what? You earned 27,000 after 3 years. A bacteria population doubles every 6 hours. If it starts at 500, what's the population after 24 hours? 16,000, 8,000, or 4,000 10 seconds ago? Okay, time is up. So this is all about geometric pa rin because of the word doubles. Using the formula po natin, where n is equal to 4, bakit 4? Hinahanap po natin is after 24 hours. Based on the first statement po natin, every 6 hours. So para makuha po yung n po natin which is 4, there are 4, 6 hours, and 24 hours, right? 6, 12, 18, 24. So apat. N po natin is 4. A sub 1 is 500 and the common ratio is 2 since the word is double. Gamitin po natin yung formula. Do the exponent, multiply 2 2 by itself 3 times, then multiply by 500 to get 4,000. So the answer is 4,000. There are 4,000 bacteria after 24 hours. A bouncing ball reaches 10 meters, then 5 meters, then 2.5 meters. What type of sequence is this? Arithmetic, geometric, or harmonic? 10 seconds ago. Now, para malaman po kung anong sequence ito, kailangan natin kunin yung common difference sa arithmetic, yung common ratio sa geometric, then the reciprocal of the harmonic para makuha yung arithmetic, then hanapin ulit yung common difference. So, start po tayo. So, sequence po natin is 10, 5, 2.5. So kung isa-subtract po natin, we get negative 2.5 to negative 5. There is no common difference. This is not arithmetic. So geometric naman, meron po tayong common ratio na 0.5. So therefore, this is geometric. A phone's value depreciates by 30% per year. If it costs 20,000 pesos now, what's its value after 2 years? 1,800, 14,000, or 9,800? So another error po. So the third option is 9,800. 10 seconds go. Time is up. So this is all about geometric pa rin because of the word, because of 30% per year. So, alamin muna natin dito. So, the correct answer is 9,800. Paano po nakuha yung 9,800? So, let's analyze the given muna. So, n po natin is 3. So, again, so starting tayo ng 20,000. So, wala pa tong bawas. So, magkakaroon na ng bawas after a year. So, therefore, our n is 3 years plus the original value na meron tayo. A sub 1 po natin is 20,000 and R po natin is 1 minus 0.3. Bakit 1 minus 0.3? So sabi dito 30% po yung bawas. So para makuha po yung actual value yearly, ang gagawin po natin is itong 1 which is 100% minus the 0.3 which is equal to 0.7. So, ibig sabihin, yung makukuha per year po, since there is a depreciation, 30% yearly, so, magmumultiply tayo ng 70%. Yun kasi yung makukuha. Kasi yung 30% mababawas. So, 0.7. So, substitute po tayo sa formula. Do the exponent. So, 0.7 raised to 2 is 0.49. And use a calculator. So, the answer is 9,800. So, that means the value of the phone is 9,800 after 2 years. So, how about after 1 year? The value is 14,000. What is a harmonic sequence? Reciprocals of arithmetic sequence. Terms differ by constant or terms double each time. 10 seconds go. Time is up. So sabi natin kanina, harmonic sequence is reciprocals of arithmetic sequence. Which of the following is a harmonic sequence? 2, 4, 8, 16. 1, 1 half, 1/3, 1/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 seconds go. Time is up. So, based on our previous question, pag sinabi natin yung harmonic sequence, ito ay reciprocals of arithmetic sequence. So, para makuha po yung tamang sagot, aalamin natin yung reciprocal ng first option. So, reciprocals are 1 half, 1/4, 1/6, 1/8. And the difference are, so wala po tayong common difference. Sa second option naman po, reciprocal nito is 1, 2, 3, 4. At ito po yung differences. Meron po tayong common difference of 1. On the third option naman, the reciprocals are, and ito naman po yung kanyang differences. Wala po tayong common difference. The answer is 1, 1 half, 1/3, 1/4 is the harmonic sequence. What is the third term of the harmonic sequence? 1/4, 1 half, or 1/3? 10 seconds go. Time is up. So, apaka-obvious po ang sagot dito. So, the third term is, so 1 is the first term. Second is 1 half. The answer is 1/3. That is our third term. What is the nth term of a harmonic sequence? 10 seconds go. Time is up. So again, pag sinabi natin yung harmonic sequence, ito ay reciprocals of arithmetic sequence. So the correct answer is option A. So this is reciprocal of arithmetic sequence. Yung denominator po is the formula for arithmetic sequence. Why are harmonic sequences used in physics and music? They are repeating, they are infinite, or they describe wave frequencies. 10 seconds, go. Okay, time is up. So, hindi po siya repeating. At the same time, hindi po siya infinite. The correct answer is, they describe wave frequencies. In a harmonic sequence, if the first term is 1 and the second term is 1 half, what is the fourth term? 1/5, 1/3, or 1/4? 10 seconds, go. Okay, time is up. So dito sa question na to, hinahanap po natin yung fourth term and the sequence is harmonic. So gamitin po natin yung formula natin kanina and that is, okay, so by the way, the sequence are 1 and 1 half. So the answer is 1/4. So paano nakuha yung 1/4? So hanapin muna natin yung reciprocals ni 1 and 1/2, and that is 1 and 2. Then get the difference, which is 1. Then apply using the formula natin. Where n po natin is 4, since 4 turn hinahanap. A sub 1 is 1, and the difference is 1 also. Then, simplify po natin. So 1 plus 3 is, the answer is 1/4. A musical string vibrates at harmonic frequencies 440 Hz, 220 Hz, 146.67 Hz. What is the type of sequence is this? Harmonic, linear, or geometric? 10 seconds go. Okay, time is up. So, alamin natin ha. So, this is, so check natin muna. So, the answer is harmonic. So, why harmonic? So, una natin gagawin is arithmetic ba to? So, para makuha yung arithmetic, hahanapin natin yung difference. And dito, nakikita natin differences are not common. This is not arithmetic. How about geometric? So, sa geometric, aalamin natin yung common ratio. Common ba yung ratios? No, wala pa tayong common ratios. So, in harmonic naman, kukunin natin yung reciprocals. Then get the common difference. Common ba yung differences? So the answer is common. And this is harmonic sequence. Next, what is the simplified form of these? 3x squared minus 4x plus 2, negative x squared minus 4x plus 3, or negative x squared minus 2x plus 1. 10 seconds ago. Time is up. So this is subtraction. So the rule in subtraction is keep, change, change. So keep the first polynomial, change subtraction to addition, then change the signs of the second, change the signs of all terms of the second polynomial. So gagamit po tayo ng vertical method. So ilalagay muna natin yung first polynomial, that is keep. So instead of minus, we will proceed to addition at magbabago po yung sign ng ating terms in second polynomials. So itong 2x squared magiging negative 2x squared. This positive x becomes negative x, and this negative 1 becomes positive 1. Then add the coefficients po. So 1x squared minus 2x squared is negative 1x squared. Negative 3x minus 1x is negative 4x. 2 plus 1 is 3. And that is the difference. What is 2x plus 3 plus x minus 5? 10 seconds go. So dito po sa ating question, since the operation is addition, wala po tayong gagawin. Okay? So gamit po tayo ng vertical method. Alay lang po natin. So we have 2x plus 3 plus x minus 5. And then add lang po. 2 plus 1 is 1x, 3x rather. And 3 minus 5 is negative 2, and that is the sum of, the given above. What is the product of x plus 2 times the quantity of x minus 3? 10 seconds, go. Okay, time is up. So, pagdating naman sa product, meron po tayong different ways. So, pwedeng gumamit tayo ng FOIL method, or pwede tayong gumamit ng distributive property of equality. So, since this is binomial times binomial, FOIL method po ang gamitin natin. So, x times x is x squared, x times negative 3 is negative 3x, 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Combine like terms po. And the answer is x squared minus x minus 6. And this is the product. Which of the following is a polynomial? 10 seconds, go. Okay, time is up. So, pag sinabi natin polynomial, dapat, okay, una, variables without radical sign. So, alin dito yung may radical sign yung variables? Itong first option. So, this is incorrect. No negative exponent in variables. Okay, so safe naman to. And last, no variables in denominators. So, this is not polynomials. So, the correct answer is x squared plus 3x plus 5. What is the quotient of x squared minus 9 is equal to x minus 3? X squared minus 3, x minus 3, or x plus 3? 10 seconds, go. So this is all about division. So kung makikita po natin yung numerator natin, pwede po nating ma-factor yung x squared minus 9. And that is x minus 3 times the quantity of x plus 3. Then we will do the cancellation. Since common po yung x minus 3 na nasa taas at yung x minus 3 na nasa baba. So yung matitira na lang po is x plus 3 and this is the final answer. Or pwede din na gumamit ng long division or synthetic division. What is the degree of this? 4, 6, or 2? 10 seconds, go. So pag sinabi natin degree, that is the highest exponent. So nakita naman natin that the highest exponent is 4, therefore this is the degree. Why is it important to align terms when adding polynomials? Easier division, group-like terms, remove constants. 10 seconds, go. Time is up. Bakit nga ba mahalaga yung pag-align ng terms when adding polynomials? The answer is para magrupo po natin yung like terms. What makes a polynomial simplified? Contains constants, only one term, combined like terms. 10 seconds, go. Time is up. So the correct answer is para makombine po yung like terms. Combined like terms. What does the term monomial mean? One term, two terms, or one variable? 10 seconds, go. Time is up. So pag sinabi natin monomial, galing siya sa root word na nomial, which means term. And the prefix mono, meaning one. So the answer is one term. What does a term binomial mean? Two variables, two terms, two signs. 10 seconds, go. Time is up. So nanggaling ulit siya sa root word na nomial, meaning term, and the prefix by, which means two. So the answer is two terms. Last question. What is the separator of which terms in a polynomial? Square root sign, radical sign, or plus or minus sign? 10 seconds, go. So time is up. So para malaman po natin kung anong type of uh, polynomial or classification of polynomials, yung given, nakabase po yun sa separator natin, which is the plus or minus sign. So that is the correct answer. And that's for our review. Good luck.